Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the scroll transition effect in SwiftUI for a large list. So basically what this scroll transition is. Here you can see I have list of items, and if I scroll through this, just keep an eye on the first item which gets scrolled. Here you can see this particular effect. So if I scroll it fast, here this is the scroll transition effect. Also the items which pops up from the bottom have the scroll transition effect. If I scroll it down, here you can see I get the effect of both at the top as well as at the bottom. So this is what the scroll transition effect is. So let's see how to do this. So basically I have created a SwiftUI application, and here first I will show you this particular struct. I have this construct struct which has this hashable as well as identifier. I have taken some ID and name, and this is the preview data which I have created a list of all the contact. So I am just creating the ID and name over here every single time. Okay, so pretty simple. Then if you see my actual content, I have created this scroll view. Here is a v stack. I'm just using a for each loop, and I'm passing all the preview data which we have inside the contact struct. I have created a rounded rectangle. I'm passing corner radius, fill is purple, frame height is 100, padding is 10, and here I'm keeping an overlay of contact name as well as font style to our particular text. And then the important part is this scroll transition. So here I have applied the transition on scale as well as opacity of the content, but you can change it to whatever you feel like. So here you can see I'm changing the scale effect, and if it is face dot is identity, then change it to 1, otherwise change it to 0.6, and for opacity I'm changing it to 1 or 0. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.